In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in n8n. Whether you're new to n8n or have been using it for a while, knowing how to switch to dark mode can make your workflow easier on the eyes, especially during those late night work sessions. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your n8n account. This could be either your n8n cloud account or your self-hosted n8n instance. Logging in is the first step in gaining access to all the settings and features you need to customize your n8n experience. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, the next step is to open the settings. You'll find the settings option located on the left sidebar of your n8n interface. The sidebar is your navigation hub in n8n, leading you to various features and settings. Look over there and click on Settings to get started. With the Settings menu open, navigate next to Personal Settings. To do this, simply go to the Settings and then select Personal. This section is where you personalize your n8n environment, making it suit your unique preferences and needs. Now let's get to the key part, changing the theme. Within the Personal Settings menu, you'll see a section labeled Personalization. Here you'll find the Theme drop-down menu. This is your gateway to toggling between different interface appearances, which we're about to do. Click on the drop-down and you'll see three options: Dark, Light, and System. For dark mode, select the Dark Theme option. Choosing this will immediately switch your n8n interface to a darker, more visually soothing palette. But wait, there are a couple more options you might want to know about. If at any point you prefer the traditional look, you can select the Light theme. This option keeps the interface in a consistently bright and clean look, ideal for brightly lit environments. There's also a System option, which is pretty handy if you like your applications to follow a cohesive look based on your device settings. When you choose System, n8n will automatically match the theme of your operating system or browser. So if your system is in dark mode, n8n will follow suit without any extra steps from you. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully navigated and enabled dark mode on n8n. This can make a huge difference in your overall experience, from reducing eye strain to increasing your focus during intensive work sessions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more n8n tips and tutorials. Until next time, enjoy working smart.